Hey guys, it's Nate. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do some POV driving. This is using the new Insta360 GO 2. We'll see how this works. I've tried this a couple of times already. My learning lesson is RTFM. This thing will only do 10 minutes on a continuous clip if you're in pro mode, which is where you want to be for max stabilization. Anyways, let's hope it goes better today. All right, so this is my Nemesis on-ramp. All right, let's try this now. Hey, so if you're enjoying this video, please click that like button. It really helps me out a lot. Rev match downshifting. You want to know how to do that? Check out my other video. And more importantly, why you should do it. Love that supercharger whine. That's why I got the leg maker. So if you're enjoying this, please click that like button. All right, we're gonna play a little game. Let's see if you can guess this song from the tune I'm gonna play using the supercharger whine as my instrument. Gotta play that again. If you figure it out, put it in the comments, okay? All right, you guys, if you figure it out, put it in a comment. All right, guys, so what's the verdict? So I think the video quality on the GO 2 is gonna end up coming out pretty good, but that battery life is just terrible. So today I was very conscious to take less than 10-minute clips, but even with that, I think the battery ran out somewhere half into whatever I was shooting. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, click like, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, bye.